Halo, ketemu lagi. Kali ini saya mau membahas soal unboxing printer HP Deskjet 3775 atau 3776 dan bagaimana cara kita pasang katrid tintanya pada saat awal pertama kali kita beli printer ini. Printer HP Deskjet 3775 ini adalah printer scan, copy, dan wireless dengan fitur yang lengkap, tapi printer ini modelnya, ukurannya, dan desainnya itu sangat ramping, sangat ringan. Jadi cocok untuk kita letakkan di mana saja, di sudut ruangan, atau di atas meja kerja. Jadi buat teman-teman yang perlu printer yang simple, yang ramping, dan bisa cetak wireless dari manapun, pilihan HP Deskjet 3775 atau 3776 ini adalah pilihan yang tepat. Dan satu lagi, printer ini adalah versi Ink Advantage, yang artinya katrid tinta hemat sampai dengan 40% dibandingkan printer lainnya. Berikut ini ada video untuk unboxing dari HP. Jadi silakan teman-teman bisa lihat, tinggal mengikuti aja videonya. Semoga informasi ini berguna. Silakan.
This is the HP Deskjet 3755 printer, a compact and wireless printer that is available in other colors and model numbers depending on your retailer. The first thing you do is break the tape and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the power cable. You might receive a USB cable depending on your region and where you purchased your printer. This is the ink caution sheet, which warns you to not ingest the ink. Next is the number 65 black setup cartridge. When setting up your printer, you must use these setup cartridges or the setup will fail. Depending on your region and specific model, the cartridge number might vary. Here is the number 65 tricolor setup cartridge. Here we have the HP Instant Ink card for this printer. In some countries, HP offers a subscription service for replacement ink on certain printer models. If you subscribe, your printer will order ink automatically for you based on the subscription plan that you choose. This is not available for all HP printers. Rotate the box to access the printer. Holding the box, grab the printer and slide it out. There are some additional leaflets and guides to review. This is the setup guide for this printer. This has the written steps for setting up the printer. Next is the Get Started guide, which includes information on additional features for your printer and has some basic troubleshooting. Next, remove the styrofoam end caps from each side of the printer. Break the plastic and remove it from around the printer. Grab the power cord that was set aside earlier and remove the twist tie. Plug one end of the power cord into the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. In this video, we are using a power strip, but HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance. Make sure the printer is on a flat, even surface, then push the power button. The printer starts initializing. When the printer stops making noise, open the cartridge access door. Open the package containing the black ink cartridge. If you have difficulty opening the package, you can use scissors to cut it open. Before installing the cartridge, make sure you remove the protective tab from the cartridge. Make sure you do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Holding the black cartridge by its sides, insert it in the right slot at a slight upward angle. The contacts must face the back of the printer for a correct install. Slide the cartridge in the slot and press firmly until it clicks into place. Now, remove the tricolor cartridge from its package. Remove the protective tab, making sure not to touch the contacts. Holding the tricolor cartridge by its sides, insert it in the left slot at a slight upward angle. Close the cartridge access door. Pull up on the paper input tray. Pull to open the paper output tray and extend the paper tray extension. Align a stack of paper by tapping it on the table, then load it into the paper input tray. Adjust the paper width guide until it touches the edge of the paper. This was unboxing and setting up the HP Deskjet 3755 printer.